In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and select Blocked. And here just click on Call Blocked Rules, and you can either block all incoming calls, you can block unknown numbers only, or private withheld numbers. Just mark the option that you would like to use. Let me pick the first one, then let's go back. You can also set some rules for messages. So here you can also only access unknown numbers blockade, and then if you would like to block some particular contact of yours, just open your contact list, then select the contact, tap on More, and select Block Contact. And from now on, this particular contact will be blocked. You can remove it by tapping on Remove from Blacklist. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.